Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video, and today I got a package. I wonder what it could be. So, anyways, long story short, I was looking into and getting into slacklining and stuff, so I decided to get my own, and here it is. Finally got it in the mail today after a week, so I'm gonna go get a knife, and we're gonna open it up and see what's in it. So this open the package, and this is a view so far. So first off, we got this stuff. This is a slackline. Ooh, that is nice. Ratchets, and I'm not too sure. So let's get into it and see what else there is. This stuff here would be the slow release for the line. I believe those go with it since that came out. These would be the, if I'm not wrong, these are the safety lines to connect to each end because I got the double ratchet set. And then here, oh my lord, this is what connects to the ratchets. I'm not sure if this is one or two, but this connects to the other side of the ratchet, and then this is what wraps around the tree. So I don't know if this is one or two or not, but this is the carry bag. Here's one ratchet, one singular ratchet. All right, this is massive. Like this is me. The extended handle, so this goes on, I want to say this way, I think. A bit of a snug fit, but this locks into it, so you got 2 foot long ratchet to crank down on. Yeah, okay. I'm going to set this way back there. I got tree protectors, 2 of them. So I believe it's 5 by 40-inch long. Don't quote me on that though. Okay, so this is the 8-foot one that goes to the back of the ratchet, and this is the 6-foot one. Shipping stuff. Got the U-bolt, or the U-clamp with the screw to connect for the safety, I believe. Then we got the second ratchet. What we've been waiting for. The slackline. So this is a full 25 meter, that's 85 feet roughly, or 85 feet, something like that. This is the entire slackline, all right here. Oh, and one last thing, there's 2 U-bolts. So, because this is a Trickline, it comes with the, there's no actual loops on this because this gets clamped into each side of the ratchet and then goes from there. So, this is the unboxing, and I'm going to do another video today about taking this outside, setting it up for the first time, and seeing how it bounces. So until next time, thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and other than that, hope you have a great day. Make sure to like the video, comment down in the comment section below for future videos, and other than that, have a great day.